Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video of first impressions, and I just got this lipsticks, this huge collection of lipsticks from Crystal Hearts, and I wanted to do my first impressions on this brand. The first thing I see is that the box is really simple outside, but inside is like a surprise party. When you open it, it's completely beautiful. They have their social media handles right here, and I really like boxes like this because it's like a surprise. You don't expect having something so beautiful inside of a simple box, but the truth is that it keeps me safe from my neighbors trying to steal my makeup. I have beautiful boxes from Sephora and they got stolen. So yeah. So in this box I got 11 new liquid lipsticks. These are the shades. We're gonna try them. And I also got this beautiful glacial water cleansing sherbet. Oh, it's not showing. Come on. This cleansing sherbet is for taking off your makeup, and it promises to take off any makeup that you have. Thick makeup, a lot of makeup, less makeup. That for me it's a lot of makeup because I wear a lot of makeup. So back to the lipsticks, and these are liquid lipsticks that dry matte, and this is the packaging. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm gonna try this color. This is the shade 311 Samantha, and let's try it on. It smells really good and it feels really light. It dries really fast. I just applied it and it's already drying. It's insane. And I'm loving it. I like it. I really like it. I like it very much. It's beautiful. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch them all, and then I'm gonna put the name right here. And if you like any, just pause the video, take a note, write it down, and continue watching. So I tried all these colors, and let me tell you that my first impressions are they're really good. God, they feel smooth. They're really liquid. They don't run out. They dry really fast. They're very pigmented, and they're really good. Like, I really like them. I don't know why I didn't try this before. Oh, they're really good. So now what I want to try is the glacial water. And I'm gonna do it first on half of my face. I already took my lash off, and let's put this on. And you just grab it with your hand. This is how it look. It look like a paste. And let's put it on the eye. Now with a wipe, I'm gonna take it all off. It looks pretty clean. It worked pretty fast, so I'm just gonna take off the rest of my makeup. It feels really good, and it smells really good. It's amazing. It took me literally like 3 minutes to take all my makeup off, and it had a lot of foundation, a lot of eyeliner, everything. It's off. It washed off so good and so fast. So on my first impressions, I really think that this works. It's really good. It feels amazing. It feels really moist, and it took my makeup really fast, like super fast. Oh my god, it's really good. And it took even the glue from my eyelashes. So I'm gonna leave you in the description box the page from Crystal Hearts so you can get your products too. You can look there what other products they have. I really love what I tried. It's really good. I really recommend it from my heart. And the lipsticks are beautiful. The colors, the shades, they fit so well. They dry so fast. They look so pretty. And this little jar, it's amazing. It's like heaven in a little jar. I did like a huge thing of this. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me in the comments what was your favorite shade, what are your opinions about this, if you like this type of videos. And you can also follow me in all my social media where I constantly post everything. I post about my life, I post makeup, special effects makeup, crazy makeup, glamorous makeup, event makeup, everyday makeup, every type of makeup. You can find me as Marian Palette. I'm also doing a lot of giveaways lately, so really don't forget to follow and comment, share, give some love, and I will see you in my next video.